All right, good morning, Lords of Scavenger. This is Jason Byrne from the Breckenridge team, and Professor Villarreal from the Neurobiology Department. He is also my cancer biology professor. And to fulfill the promise of item, I honestly forgot what it was. Here is my father, and we're going to have a parent-teacher conference. Do we have pink cookies and fruit punch? No. Are we here in person? No. However, this is happening nonetheless. So let's do this. Let's have this parent-teacher conference here. So I just had a midterm, and Professor, could you tell my dad how that went?
Not so well. So Jason has been doing well, participating in class to full speed by the first exam. So what I generally do is that people that don't perform well on the first exam, I'll call them in and we'll go over what they did wrong on the first exam, and then I send them away with the exam to study it, and then I bring them back for a retest. So I feel like my job is to teach the material to the students, and it's not to punish them if they don't get it the first pass through. And so Jason will be offered an opportunity to come back in and to elevate his grade significantly, so that then if he performs well on the final exam, then he'll be able to get a good grade out of the class. So that's what we're in the process of doing right now.
Jason, I expect you to buckle down and do better on the test.
Okay. Just FYI, the video ran out very soon. I am improvising as we speak and also paying attention to the dialogue here. This is an important dialogue. Like actually, besides the scavenger aspect of it. And also a caveat is that I greatly underestimated the test. That happened. So yeah.
So a lot of the questions on the exam are short answer essays. And so cancer biology is a lot of signaling, how a receptor will send a signal into the cell and how that signal goes wrong in cancer cells. And so I want the students to be able to understand it in some depth. And so I ask these essay questions, and they have to explain a signaling pathway or what goes wrong in a particular kind of cancer. And some of the students, especially the first and second years, aren't used to answering those kinds of thought questions, and that they're used to doing fill in the blank and multiple choice. And
That's
so,
good. You can help me with my research this summer, Jason.
What are you talking about, Dad?
The tumor cell line I'm working on to sell to the drug companies.
Oh yeah, so he is one of the managers at a tumor cell research company.
oh, okay.
So, or no, you're doing your own thing now, aren't you?
Right.
Okay.
So what tumor cells are you handling?
They're for the malignant melanoma.
Mm-hmm.
We're trying to see where the on-off switch is. They're going to create drugs to prevent the malignant melanoma from spreading.
Okay, so Thursday we did a paper on metastatic melanoma cells and the drug Zelebroff. We read the clinical trial papers for that and discussed how it worked, that it targeted a particular signaling molecule, and then the patients developed resistance. And so we looked at another paper looking at why they developed resistance.
Mm-hmm.
And that was important for that reason, and also because I then learned that Zelebroff is in fact not a creature from Narnia, but a drug used in cancer research. So.
All right, I got to get going, so I wish you well.
Thank you.
Hope you improve on that, okay?
Appreciate it.